to our series of short bite 2. So we haven't played this before. We got this big ass warship, and I'm gonna use my orca to battle against it. It's gonna be so epic. We're gonna wait the Sox for one, the battle of Sox One's video. We can take the hits. Oh, sharp ahead! This shark is such a pussy. Wait, stop! I want to drive it. I want to drive it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Driving a huge ass warship into shark. Drift? Come on, drift. Oh, good. I will not let you on. I will not let you on, you. Wait. That shark better show itself, cause I'm gonna kick his ass. Let's do oil rig survival. Infection. They will not tear us apart. We will stay strong. That stupid hammerhead is not gonna kill us. We're going in on the XX World boat. The XX World boat. We're going to fight in the war. Oh crap, he has. What? We're gonna kill this bastard. Got him! They're attacking! They are ripping our boat apart. Alright, I'm eating. I'm freaking eating. That killer whale is coming for you. Decide the killer whale. Roar! Roar! And just like that, we got demolished. We got demolished to one two. If I don't have my boots, I'm not gonna stand a chance to get that warship. %. But it's not even a good shot. I have orca and that guy has hammerhead. But it's a difference. Yeah, there's a difference between an orca and a goddamn hammerhead. A great hammerhead. We're gonna kill these little bitches. Wait! Wait. Why did you remove the turrets? Why did you remove the turrets? Come back here. Bro, come back here! Come back here! Now I'm just stuck here, just waiting to rot. Just stuck here waiting to rot. And the shark is dead. My boost. Are you kidding me? 7 freaking %? What? You tricked me. Leave. I think the guy with the giant boat left. Bro is losing to a hammerhead, bro. Bro, let me on. Run, run for your life. There's a kill the hammerhead. Trying to kill us. Where's the damn jelly shark? I'm gonna kill that thing. Run. Just run. Just survive. No! No! God damn it! I hate you, Cole. Oil rig! Oil rig! Or what? Oil rig! Better be that. 23%, guys. Because I want it. And it's cost 7%. It's always 7%. It's always the 7%, guys. Not the third 23%, guys. God damn it. Great white, we're gonna kill the great white. And I don't know if, and I didn't know if you remove turrets, you can't get them back. Yeah, if I remove a turret, you can't get it back. How stupid is that? Come here, you dumbass shark. I'm not afraid of you, you dumbass. I'm gonna go fight. You can't catch me, nigga! You're so fucking slow. Kill them first. Yes, kill them first. Goodbye. Goodbye. I'm sorry I had to leave it to you. I had no choice. You're basically a meat shield and battle cats. No. I can go back. The shark is coming. He is near. Get on, or you'll get fed to my pet shark. Get on, or you're getting fed to my pet shark. The shark is right there, son. I see dead bodies. Oh, crap. Ow, strap a turn to this thing. This thing's gonna be unstoppable. Kill this fat jet ski guy first. I dare ya. Goodbye! Goodbye, you cheat. Oh God. I'm getting you just drop a drop. That was so fucking close! Goodbye, you piece of shit, I'm a shark! Yes, see you Piece of shit! And this guy with the goddamn warship is still here. Like no boots don't stand a chance to get the goddamn warship. If you've seen in the Sucks for What video. Wait. Oh, you're in. Cool. Strap. Okay, I think it's gonna be this guy, then me. If ever the goodbye. We didn't outrun a gray white. Come on. You're ungrateful. Run! Nah. You had your chance to get on the ball until the shark came. We gotta get to that thing or we're all gonna die. Is that a yacht? I see. Run, absolutely run. We can take down a shark with only 2 boats. Coming! Run! No, this shark is too dumb. Go on the sides. Oh God, help me. At this rate, we're gonna have better chance of killing the shark ourselves! Oh God, no! And now you leave! Is that other person? You are so disrespectful! You're so black and that. Oh, he's dead. I think he left. Yeah, he left. I will demolish the server. Demolish the server now. Demolish the server. Come on. God damn it! God damn it! Only 5 more matches. And one of those matches, I'm gonna be the shark and destroy that warship. I can't wait to destroy that warship. And it's me. Yep, baby. We're gonna kick this guy's ass. Yeah, baby. Orca equipped. Orca time. What the? I don't even know what that means. But I'm gonna kick some ass. Are you having a jolly good time, Gundam? Is that my boat? I think. Why is my hitbox so big? I kill your friend, I kill you. I kill your brother, I kill you. We're gonna... Are you having a jolly good time, Gundam? God damn, that's a lot of firepower. Are you having a jolly good time? Good, sir. It's over! You have been reduced to ash. There's nowhere to run! That has to be the end for that video. Now let's just do one final round. section. Get out. Are you having a jolly good time, sir? Are you having a jolly good time, Gumdop? A high sensitive gate up past the bomb. We're flying! Oh god. Stay away from the ducky boat. It's coming. It's near. The ducky boat. How the fuck is the doggy boat almost catching up to us? But that does not make any sense. That's what killed you last round. Bro getting beat up by a great white. No! No, stay away. Stay away! And if that got it, please. Get out! Out of the bro. Bro's dead. At the worst time possible! No. Oh god. You can't get me. Oh yes!